Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how you can change your scroll animation on the home screen. So we have to click and hold your home screen, move for edit home screen, and find scroll effects. Here you have all of them. I will choose probably flip or accordiation. Yeah, this one. So click that one that you want to choose and then tap on the home screen and take a look. Right now, as you can see, our scroll effects on the home screen has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.